Hello, future JavaScript masters. It's 2024, and if there's one language you absolutely need to know in the wild world of web development, it's JavaScript. From those slick interactive websites you love to the powerful web applications running behind the scenes, JavaScript is everywhere. It's like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, insanely versatile and in crazy high demand. Now you might be wondering, Linus, where do I even start? Don't worry, my friend, I've got you covered. In this video, we're going to break down the essential steps to becoming a senior JavaScript developer, one line of code at a time. We'll go from the basics all the way to advanced concepts, giving you a roadmap to conquer the JavaScript world. Think of it like building a high-end gaming PC. You gotta start with a solid foundation, pick the right components, and then fine-tune for optimal performance. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the wonderful world of JavaScript together. All right, let's kick things off with the fundamentals, the building blocks of JavaScript. Trust me, you can't build a skyscraper on a foundation of sand. We're talking about variables, data types, operators, all that good stuff. It might seem basic, but these concepts are crucial for understanding everything else that comes later. Next up, we'll dive into control flow, functions, and objects. Think of this like learning the grammar of JavaScript. Control flow helps you direct the logic of your code. Functions are like reusable code snippets. And objects let you structure your code in a way that makes sense. Now here's where things get really interesting. We'll tackle some more advanced concepts like closures and asynchronous programming. Closures might sound intimidating, but they're just functions that can access variables from their surrounding environment, even after the outer function has finished executing. Think of it like a secret compartment in your code. Asynchronous programming, on the other hand, is all about making your code more efficient in the real world. You don't want your entire program to freeze while it's waiting for something to happen, right? That's where asynchronous JavaScript comes in, allowing your code to handle multiple tasks concurrently without breaking a sweat. JavaScript is a living language, constantly evolving with new features and syntax. ES6, also known as ECMAScript 2015, was a major update to the language, introducing a ton of awesome features that make writing JavaScript a joy. Think of it like upgrading your old clunker of a car to a sleek modern sports car. One of the coolest additions in ES6 is arrow functions, a shorthand way of writing functions that's more concise and easier to read. We'll also explore other goodies like template literals, destructuring, and the spread operator, all of which will make your code cleaner, more efficient, and a heck of a lot more fun to write. But wait, there's more. We'll also dive into the world of asynchronous programming with promises and async await. These powerful features make handling asynchronous operations in JavaScript a breeze, allowing you to write code that's both efficient and easy to understand. By the end of this chapter, you'll be wielding the power of modern JavaScript like a pro, ready to tackle any coding challenge that comes your way. So grab your keyboard, fire up your code editor, and let's explore the exciting world of modern JavaScript together. All right, now that you've got a solid grasp of JavaScript, it's time to bring your web development skills to life with front-end frameworks. Think of these frameworks like pre-built Lego sets for building websites and web applications. They provide you with a structure and a set of tools to create stunning user interfaces and seamless user experiences. We'll start with the big three React.js, Vue.js, and Angular. Each framework has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to understand which one is the best fit for your project. React, developed by Facebook, is all about components and building dynamic user interfaces. Vue.js, on the other hand, is known for its simplicity and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners. And then there's Angular, a comprehensive framework backed by Google, perfect for building complex enterprise-level applications. We'll dive deep into each of these frameworks, exploring their core concepts, components, and how they interact with the DOM, Document Object Model. You'll learn how to build reusable components, manage application state, and create interactive user interfaces that will make your users say, wow! But it's not just about learning the syntax. We'll also discuss best practices, common pitfalls, and tips and tricks to help you become a front-end framework ninja. So, get ready to unleash your creativity and build some amazing web experiences. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the world of back-end development with Node.js. This is where JavaScript breaks free from the browser and starts running wild on the server, handling data, interacting with databases, and powering the logic behind your web applications. Node.js is like the engine under the hood of your car, working behind the scenes to make everything run smoothly. We'll start by understanding the fundamentals of Node.js, its event-driven architecture, and how to work with modules. Then we'll dive into server-side development, learning how to build APIs, application programming interfaces, using frameworks like Express.js. APIs are like the messengers of the web, allowing different applications to talk to each other and exchange data. Of course, no back-end development journey is complete without a good understanding of databases. We'll explore different types of databases, like SQL and NoSQL, and learn how to interact with them using Node, JSSkill, and libraries like MongoDB. And because security is paramount in the world of web development, we'll also cover security best practices to protect your applications from vulnerabilities. Get ready to unlock the full potential of JavaScript as we dive into the world of full-stack development. This is where you become a true JavaScript Jedi Master, wielding the power of JavaScript on both the front end and back end to create complete end-to-end web applications. We'll explore popular technology stacks like MERN, MongoDB, Express.js, React.js, Node.js, and MEVN, MongoDB, Express.js, Vue.js, Node.js, understanding how each component fits together to create a seamless development experience. But it's not just about using these technologies. It's about understanding how to architect, design, and build scalable and maintainable web applications. We'll cover concepts like routing, middleware, authentication, authorization, and more, giving you the tools and knowledge to build professional-grade applications. And because no modern web application is complete without a way to efficiently manage and query data, we'll also delve into the world of GraphQL, a powerful query language for APIs that gives you more control and flexibility over your data. In the world of software development, version control is your best friend. It's like having an undo button for your entire project, allowing you to track changes, collaborate with others seamlessly, and revert back to previous versions if something goes wrong. Git is the undisputed king of version control systems, and in this chapter, we'll teach you everything you need to know to become a Git guru. We'll cover the basics of Git, like creating repositories, staging changes, committing code, and branching. Then, we'll dive into more advanced Git concepts like merging branches, resolving conflicts, and using remotes to collaborate with others. You'll learn how to use platforms like GitHub and GitLab to host your code, manage issues, and work effectively in a team environment. We'll also explore the world of CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous deployment pipelines, automating your development workflow to build, test, and deploy your code with ease. By the end of this chapter, you'll be a Git master, confidently collaborating on projects and managing your code base like a pro. Bugs are an inevitable part of the software development lifecycle, but fear not. In this chapter, we'll equip you with the tools and techniques to become a bug-squashing ninja, writing cleaner, more reliable code. We'll start by understanding the importance of testing, exploring different types of testing like unit testing, integration testing, and end-to-end testing. You'll learn how to write effective tests using popular JavaScript testing frameworks like Jest and Mocha. Then we'll delve into the art of debugging, learning how to use browser developer tools and debugging tools like the Node.js debugger to identify and fix errors in your code. We'll cover common debugging techniques, tips, and tricks to help you track down those pesky bugs and eliminate them for good. By the end of this chapter, you'll have the skills and confidence to write well-tested, robust JavaScript code that's less prone to errors and easier to maintain. In the competitive world of web development, a strong portfolio is your secret weapon. It's your chance to showcase your skills, creativity, and passion for coding, making you stand out from the crowd. But building a portfolio doesn't have to be daunting. We'll guide you through the process, from brainstorming project ideas to deploying your finished projects online. We'll discuss different types of projects that can make your portfolio shine, such as personal websites, web applications, open source contributions, and even coding challenges. We'll also emphasize the importance of code quality, clean code practices, and writing readable, maintainable code that will impress potential employers or clients. And because presentation matters, We'll share tips on how to effectively showcase your projects, write compelling case studies, and create a portfolio website that reflects your personal brand and coding style. The world of JavaScript is constantly evolving, with new frameworks, libraries, and tools emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve and remain competitive in this fast-paced industry, continuous learning is essential. We'll explore different resources and strategies for staying up to date with the latest JavaScript trends, including following influential blogs and podcasts, attending industry conferences and meetups, and participating in online communities and forums. We'll also highlight the importance of experimenting with new technologies, contributing to open-source projects, and constantly challenging yourself to learn and grow as a developer. Remember, the journey of a JavaScript developer is never truly over. There's always something new to discover, something new to master, and something new to create. While technical skills are crucial in web development, soft skills are equally important, especially as you progress in your career and take on more senior roles. We'll discuss essential soft skills like communication, teamwork, problem-solving, and critical thinking, highlighting how these skills can make you a more effective developer and a valuable asset to any team. We'll also cover topics like time management, organization, and self-motivation, helping you develop the habits and mindset of a successful professional. Remember, being a great developer is not just about writing code. It's about effectively collaborating with others, communicating your ideas clearly, and solving problems creatively. There's no substitute for practical experience when it comes to mastering JavaScript and becoming a senior developer. In this chapter, we'll explore different avenues for gaining real-world experience, even if you're just starting out. We'll discuss the pros and cons of freelancing, internships, and entry-level positions, providing guidance on how to find opportunities that align with your skills and career goals. We'll also emphasize the importance of building relationships, networking with other developers, and seeking out mentors who can provide guidance and support along the way. Remember, the path to becoming a senior developer is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and always eager to learn and grow, and you'll reach your goals in no time. While not always mandatory, certifications and courses can provide a valuable boost to your credibility, demonstrating your knowledge and commitment to professional development. We'll explore different JavaScript certifications like those offered by reputable organizations and companies, discussing their value, requirements, and how they can enhance your career prospects. We'll also highlight the benefits of online learning platforms and coding boot camps, providing recommendations for reputable courses and programs that can help you deepen your JavaScript expertise. Remember, the best certifications and courses are those that align with your career goals and provide you with practical skills and knowledge that you can apply in real-world projects. So there you have it, future JavaScript masters. We've covered a ton of ground in this video, from the fundamentals of JavaScript to advanced concepts like full-stack development, testing, and even soft skills. Remember, becoming a JavaScript expert takes time, dedication, and a whole lot of practice. The key is to break down the learning process into manageable steps, focus on one concept at a time, and never be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and learn from your experiences. The most important thing is to start your journey today. Pick one thing you learned from this video and start implementing it right now.